The DJI Osmo Pocket 2 is coming out tomorrow, or is it now just called the Pocket 2? Either way, this has been a heavily leaked product, just like pretty much every DJI release these days. We have the photos, and coming up is an analysis of the new device. Hey everyone and welcome to Geeksvana. Here we focus on drones and tech, everything from fun live streams to breaking news. If that's your kind of thing, hit the subscribe button. So, as we all know, there is another DJI launch happening tomorrow, the 20th of October 2020, with the tagline, "Capture Magic at Hand." The brief teaser video shows the product certainly isn't a drone and suggests something easy to grab out of your bag and start recording with. This, together with our own sources at Geeksvana, leads us to predict the release will absolutely be the DJI Osmo Pocket 2, although it seems the name might be shortened to the Pocket 2 going by the FCC filings. A few days ago you might have noticed on our community tab that we were sent some of the retail pictures for the product releasing tomorrow. As a side note, we try to feature some of the extra stories we find and access to our channel members section in the community tab, so go take a look. Let's take a look at the pictures of the new Pocket 2 and see what they tell us. Let me know as we go if there's anything in there which will make you buy the Pocket 2 in the comments below. Also, we have pictures of the release bundles coming up, so stay tuned for that. The camera itself looks fairly unchanged, although the proportions suggest it could be a little chunkier in the hand. There is a physical joystick on the front, which could help to control the camera in a smoother way than is possible with the Pocket 1. The camera itself looks a lot more serious and has a striking resemblance to the Mavic Air 2 camera. Perhaps we could see the zoom capability on this tiny handheld unit. That would be very popular for sure. The lanyard connection is straight to the device this time, rather than to the case like last time. There is a side block on the picture, which looks like a mic input from an SLR type camera. This, with the location halfway up, suggests it could be a mic jack. Speaking of microphones, there are a lot more holes dotted around the Pocket 2, suggesting you will not have to be careful where you hold it this time. Okay, let's take a look at the packs. Here is the standard pack, which as you can see comes with the basics needed. The Pocket 2 itself, the case, USB cable, joystick module and a couple of different phone connectors along with the recognisable lanyard. The part at the bottom here could be an adapter to allow other items to connect to it. Up next we have the larger pack, which looks like it will have some amazing bits. Firstly, hats off to DJI for seemingly producing this Pocket version with a lot of the accessories the purchasers of the first Pocket were crying out from launch. In the picture we appear to have what seems to be a wireless mic adapter. Certainly the location of it in the picture next to the dead cat makes me think this is microphone related, but we will see. It'll be interesting to see if this is a similar detachable dead cat to the Sony ZV-1. We have some other obvious parts, but one very exciting accessory is right there in the middle of the picture. This looks to be a wide-angle lens. One major complaint some Pocket 1 owners have is the field of view. Could the inclusion of this and other items, such as the dead cat, point to this pack being marketed towards vloggers and creators specifically? Time will tell. One thing I'd like your feedback on is this item. It is the same shape as the Pocket itself, so it suggests it clips onto the bottom, especially as the Pocket 2 has this extra area marked off. I wonder too if it could be a Bluetooth remote, again similar to the tripod available with the Sony ZV-1, allowing you to press record etc. without having to go back to the camera. I'm not sure though. What do you think it could be? In fact, do you think I'm wrong with any of my other speculations? Let me know in the comments below. At least we do not have too long to wait to find out with the DJI release happening tomorrow. Exciting stuff. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
What are you still doing here? You know the drill. The show's over. You don't get to be here after this. Embarrassing me all the time.